Welcome to the tropical rainforest. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Madison.
And today we'll be taking the AP Death Rainforest tour.
Well, I'm sure we won't die, but we'll have to be cautious of all the troubles in the rainforest. I'll get Ashley up and we'll get started. Tropical rainforest is located 23.5 degrees north and 23.5 degrees south of the equator.
57% of tropical rainforests are found in Latin America, but there's also some in Brazil, Southeast Asia, parts of West Africa, the Pacific Islands, who knows where else. The tropical rainforest has an average rainfall of 50 to 260 inches per year, and temperatures usually range from like 60 to 93 degrees Fahrenheit.
Tropical rainforests only make up 2% of the world, but 50% of the plants and animals of the world, like this little guy, live there.
The tropical rainforest also helps to regulate temperatures and weather patterns around the world, and a fifth of fresh water is found in the tropical rainforest, the Amazonian basin to be exact.
The tropical rainforest is loaded with plants that supply 2/3 of the world's oxygen, such as orchids, bromeliads, and buttress roots.
Adaptations of certain animals include stick bugs that blend right in with the sticks, green algae sloths that look like just bundles of algae in the trees, and even predators can use camouflage to disguise themselves from their prey, such as spotted jaguars, who whenever the sun hits them, their spots look like the sunlight hitting their skin.
Rainforests are threatened each and every day by humans, especially agriculture, ranching, logging, and mining.
Restoration efforts include replanting trees that were chopped down and educating people about what rainforests do for the world.
Some endangered plants include the felicia flower, the mangrove trees, and the kopok trees.
Some endangered animals include the poison-dewey dart frog, the manatee, and the jaguar.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the AP Death Tour. I know Ashley did.
Rating only 1 out of 5 stars. Would not recommend to a friend. They didn't tell me that I would get mauled by an albino jaguar leopard thing.
Disclaimer.
Sure. Disclaimer, this is just my Dalmatian. She's kind of an idiot.
1, 2, 3.
57%.
The tropical rainforest is loaded with 2/3. Wait, I messed up. I don't even